Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to get back your TikTok account if you forget password. First open Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app up to date or not. If update is available then update. After updating open the TikTok app and follow the screen instructions. Now click on profile icon. TikTok gives you a few different ways to log in. Now choose your address, the address you used to create the account. For example, I created my TikTok account using my email. So I'll give my email address here. After entering the address, click Continue. A verification code will be sent from TikTok to the address provided. Collect the verification code within a minute and enter here. After entering the verification code, your TikTok account will be automatically logged in. And your TikTok account username and password will be displayed on the screen. You can view your password by clicking on this icon. If you want to save your username and password, click on the Save option below. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.